Hey, hi all, welcome here, Param here again. In this video, I will show you some of the things where to learn or what are the resources are there to learn Grafana. Okay. Of course, from this resource I have learned. Okay. Um, Documentation wise, their online documentation is really good. It is not very lengthy. Each topic has been organized in very good as a tree structure. So each topic has its own page. Okay. This is the online documentation page. You can see the link. Okay, so this is I referred a lot. Okay, referred a lot. In fact, for me it took almost 30 days to complete the online documentations. Okay, when I was learning. Then of course this is a I am running my Grafana instance in on-premise in Kubernetes cluster. So I have not run Grafana cloud. But if you are going to work with Grafana cloud, okay, then this is a documentation for that. In addition to these two documentations are more enough. It's more enough. But in addition to that, there is a blogs. Okay, here if you go, you can see in these links. If you go, you can see a lot of blogs are there, or kind of cookbook or how to do what. Okay, so you could see many of the blogs also there. Above all, there is a tutorial. Again, it's kind of another set of let me show here. Okay, this is again tutorials. Okay, in this tutorial also you could see many of the articles. Okay, so these are the different source of documentations to learn yourself about the Grafana. Okay, in addition to that, if you have access to Udemy, yes, Udemy has lot of videos. Okay, and so as in YouTube also they have own channel. Okay, Grafana has their own channel, so that's also really good. I cannot say really good because of they will show only the very short informations, not depth informations as what we learn from Udemy. Okay, it's very short, but to get introduction level, Udemy videos enough. Okay, then in addition to that, there is a Grafana community. So while working, if you have any queries or something like that, you can post your questions or something, or you can search whatever they have already posted and responded. Okay, so this is Grafana community. Okay, then they have separate Slack channels, so you can try that also. Okay, this is the Slack channels and catalog. Yes, I think so far I have explained many of the videos. Grafana is plugin architecture, so if you want to extend its functionality, you can install appropriate plugins. That's it. Okay, so plugin catalog, spelling correct, that is fine. Okay. Okay, so if you want to see the catalogs, you can see all type of plugins and who is the proprietor for the plugins. Okay, and its price, or it's available for open source or only the enterprise editions. All those stuffs you can see. This is the link. There you can find your all of the Grafana catalogs. Okay, in addition to that, see, so far I have shown what are the different things to learn or different source to learn, but where do you practice? Okay, so obviously it's very important. Simply going through documents is waste, I would say. Okay, you have to parallelly try out what they have learned, what you have learned, or what they have explained. Okay, then only you have more then only you will have the interactive learning. Right. So for that case, I would prefer you set up your own instance so that you will get your hands are dirty, so that's how you can learn all the stuff. But in case if you don't want to learn some of the things, okay, you can try out the playground. Okay, playgrafana.org. It's a free. Okay, you no need to log in or you don't do anything. Okay, you can play on all the data source. The beauty of the thing is what is now in your own setup, in your own instance, let it be a self-managed or a cloud instance. Okay, you have to configure all your data source, you have to configure all your dashboard, all the stuffs you have to yourself, you have to do yourself, right? Okay, but if you want to see sample stuff, at least primarily, let's say we cannot, if you want to explore, let's say graphite data source, or if you want to explore Oracle data source or something like that, or if you want to explore Grafana Loki, because each data source has its own query language, right? So if you want to try out those options or panel settings will vary for the each data source, right? So if you want to try out all the stuff, you have to set up in all the things in your instance, then you have to try out. But instead of that, in this play you can you can explore all the options. That is a very good things. Of course, cloud, it's a free account. Okay, only the restriction is not about the date or days, it's about only size of data you are pulling. Okay, but you can try all the options here also. So there are three options to explore your stuffs. Okay, before to touch your customer environment. Okay, these are the different places you can try out, you can explore all the whatever you learn about the Grafana. Okay, so this is what I thought to learn. I have learned, in fact. Okay, I thought to share with you. So these are the different source, from there you can learn. It's fair enough, I would say. It's fair enough for complete learning. I would say it would take a minimum 30 days dedicated hours, minimum 3 to 5 hours per day. So obviously the 30 days it will take to complete the Grafana. Thank you, thanks for watching. I hope this will be useful for you.